Brad Williams, Excel Prime.
Section 512, how to turn your color scales from 0 to hero. Since we're on the subject of conditional formatting, this is just a quick overview of conditional formattings, color scales, and how it works. Just highlight a range, go to conditional formatting, color scales, and then you can see over to the right, you can adjust this based on whatever formulas you use. But here's a color scale, and if you want to implement this, just click it. Now you have color scales. What does it mean? It's based on a preset formula within conditional formatting structure. We hit conditional formatting, we hit color scales, just hit this number randomly, but we didn't set any rules. How to modify that information? We'll go to conditional formatting, manage rules, and we'll read what happened here. We see this color scale, and that's what we got when we click that color scheme. We have this range, C4 to G15, but why are the colors the way they're colored? Well, go to edit rules. When we click that particular format, it says format all cells based on their value. Conditional formatting just defaulted to this scheme. So we have a minimum, so we have lowest value, it's going to color to reddish thing. And then we have the midpoint, it's going to be in the yellowish. And then we have a max. So clearly between below 50, it's going to be a yellowish, and it's going to try to merge the colors a little bit. You can see how it changes the colors in this scaled structure. In terms of the dates, it just set a fixed color because it doesn't know what to do with it. The reds, because it's trying to scale all this information into this range, the lower numbers are going to be the darkest red, and the highest numbers are going to be the greener greens. And you can see we're mostly in yellow. To change this thing, go in and hit cancel, hit delete rule. And if you want to structure this a little bit differently, highlight just the range, go to conditional formatting, go color scales, go here, and then you could see it's a little better defined. We know now we have a midpoint, a low point, and a high point. Say we randomly change this age to 85, this to 2, and we highlight this range. We go to conditional formatting, color scales. You can see the higher age, you're going to get a greener green. The lower age, you're going to get a redder red. Is this useful? I don't know. But here are some of the tools within Excel that are available.
Brad Williams, Excel Prime, out. Williams out.